Stop by and take a look at the 2020 Explorer. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.0-liter engine and comes with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, inside you'll find Bluetooth, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, tinted glass, power tilting steering wheel, compass. You've got a lot of capabilities to call on in a Ford Explorer. Don't underestimate your choices. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.